Well, good morning, community. How are you this morning? Thank you so much for joining me this morning. Wow, what a weekend. This is Monday, August 31st. Can you imagine that we are now entering into September 2020? I'm telling you, it is so amazing how fast this year has gone by. Um, it's awesome to to just be able to rest, I guess, but it's a bittersweet that we are in the middle of this pandemic, that it forced us to stop and to, be careful and take a breath. And so, I have gotten a lot done, have had some sadness. Now I have a family member that's going through the coronavirus, and many of you have experienced, loss as a result of this. I call it the silent demon, right? And so, but nevertheless, we're still here, and we're still making it. So I just wanted to, welcome everyone to the community. I would be remiss if I wouldn't give my condolences for Chadwick Boseman and his family. The family of Chadwick Boseman. The passing of him was, what was that, Saturday? And it was such a blow to a lot of us. He played a character, a good character, the Black Panther, and he did such a good job. And then 42 and Jackie Robinson and James Brown and Thurgood Marshall. I mean, he had some very key characters that he portrayed on the big screen. And so his work he left a wonderful legacy and an example for all, especially young Black boys, to know that they can be excellent in what they do and leave a mark in this world. So I am just so grateful that he left a great legacy. So sad of the way that he did pass, but again, my prayers go out to his wife and family. Now, I want to welcome all of our new members. We have gained a member this past week. And so we are now up to 165, I think, members now. And we started with one. And so I am so grateful that we are slowly but surely climbing up that ladder. But I'm not the one that just love numbers, right? Just to have a lot of numbers in the group. I want people that are committed, that is considering, if you haven't already, use beautiful hair products, because that's what this group is for those who are already customers and those who are considering becoming a customer. So these are for beautiful hair product fans, right? And so the products are excellent. All you have to do is try it once, and I can almost 100% guarantee that you will love the products. I don't like to just say 100%, but I guarantee from my experience and from everybody else that have used beautiful hair products that you will love them. So I want to encourage you to love them, to like them, to try them. Okay. But anyway, welcome all of our new members to the Beautiful Hair Products community. This is your community. This is our community to connect and to meet each other and to talk about hair and even the problems that we have, ask questions. I am here. Others are here that I don't have all the answers. I just supply the products. Right. And so we can connect to one another. We can ask questions. We can get active. Please send your pictures in of like before and after, share your pictures and videos of your hair journey. I would love to see it. In fact, I know you all are wondering why is she sitting up here with braids in her hair? You know, this is one of those days that I just did not feel like taking my braids out. These are my sister locks, and so I spray my hair with my product, right, with my moisturizing spray, and then I slather on my super conditioning whipped cream with jojoba and lanolin. I slather that on, and then I just take my hair in sections and I just braid it. And then the little curls is because I take the ends and I push them up. I curl them up, and then I put a black rubber band at the end of it so that, you know, the ends can be curly and all. But this was one of those days that I just didn't feel like taking the braids out. They've been in actually all weekend. All weekend. It's been pretty hot, you know, and they're comfortable. And so I just added a couple of little cuties, hair pretties to my hair, you know, just to kind of decorate it up. And these are just the Lila Rose. You know, I do have accessories on the website, which is www.beautifulhairproducts.com. And this is called the Open Flower U-Pen, right? I love these things because, you know, if you wear like a French roll, or if you wear a hairstyle that requires you to, you know, put your hair together, you can just stick one of these in. Instead of just having a big old bobby pin in your hair, you can stick one of these in and make it beautiful, right? So this one is called the Open Flower. So on my website, again, you can go to hair accessories, click on the link in there, and then go to my Lila Rose website and shop until you drop. Okay, shop until you drop. And so, but anyway, thank you so much again, new members, for joining us. Now, I every week on Monday, I love to give a shout out to our top 3 contributors, right? The people who are actively posting and liking and commenting and connecting with each other in the group through the past week, right? So each week, you have an opportunity to be one of the top 3. So the first member that is on our top 3 list is Barbara Ray. Yes. She posts, she make comments, and even if it's just a like, you know, I appreciate it. So she's number 1. Number 2 is Cynthia Webster. Yes, Cynthia. She also has skincare products, right? Lip balms and everything like that. But she has come over, and she also wears her hair natural. So she has come over and joined us, and now she's actively participating in the group. So thank you, Cynthia, for joining us here in our beautiful hair products community. Then we have number 3 is Tashelle Dantzler, right? So she is also active. She was a top contributor a couple weeks ago. And thank you again, Tashelle, for, you know, being here present in the group. Just make sure you all, the top contributors, make sure you post pictures of your hair. We would love to see your hair and how it looks using beautiful hair products. So I want to invite you to start posting pictures and articles in the group. Okay, so thank you, top 3 contributors, for participating in our group and being active. Now, I want to talk about our featured product of the week, which is our Lavender Moisturizing Hairspray with Lavender Essential Oil, right? So the ingredient of the week, which will be posted on tomorrow, is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil. Tomorrow, the tea tree oil will be posted on there. Now, let me just tell you what tea tree oil is. Tea tree oil is Alternifolia. Okay, that's the medicinal name for tea tree oil. It is fresh and antiseptic. It's rather pungent aroma, and some may characterize it as medicinal. It does kind of smell medicinal, right? This is a must-have essential oil. This is an antibiotic, an antiseptic, antiviral, bacterial, fungicide, and insecticide. So you see all the benefits that this oil holds. Along with lavender, tea tree is just about the only oil that many recommend to be used neat or straight from the bottle without dilution. Tea tree is helpful with dry conditions of the scalp as well as dandruff. And so that is why I have a nice amount of tea tree oil in each one of our hairsprays, right? Each one of our hairsprays have a nice amount of tea tree in it, because what it also does is heals the scalp, right? It heals the scalp. It's a fungicide, remember? So if you have a scalp infection, or you have dandruff or itchy, gooey scalp, tea tree is perfect for that. And these hair moisturizing sprays are excellent for that, especially the peppermint, right? Because you have a duo power spray. You have peppermint oil and tea tree oil in here. And so these three hair sprays, the peppermint tingling scalp and hair moisturizing spray, and you have your argan oil moisturizing spray, and you have your moisturizing hairspray with lavender, right? These products are excellent for dandruff, for issues with scalp and dry hair. And so that's the reason why I chose tea tree to add to the products, right? It's an essential oil. And so, so you can, use the products with confidence. Now, as you all know, I am organizing all my wealth of knowledge and my information, because I am going to be launching my 6 steps to launching. Oh God, I am going to be launching my 6 steps to launching your online hair care business and having customers waiting to buy workshop. It's going to be soon, so you need to stay tuned and get on my waiting list so that you will be informed when it will actually launch. And in between that time, I am going to be sharing some information with you, some free stuff, while you wait on me to get it all together, right? It's going to be awesome. And so, one of the questions that I always ask is, what is your biggest challenge with having your own products? And let me just tell you this: you don't just have to have hair care products. If you make soap, if you make dolls, if you crochet, if you make, model cars, whatever you create, this workshop will work for you, right? It will work for you. But because I'm a hair care specialist, I just named it hair care business, right? But it can apply to anyone that is a DIY, that is a creator of products. So I just wanted to put that out, to you. But anyway, I am working on, showing you how I became successful with my beautiful hair products. I am full-time online, and I absolutely love my business. I love serving people. I love when people love my products. And so I am going to reveal all of those secrets with you. Plus, okay, so you have to stay tuned, invite someone else, tag someone, and let them know. But I want to encourage you right now to go on my website, beautifulhairproducts.com, and register or get on my waiting list. So you may, send me an email, Rene at beautifulhairproducts.com, or when that pop-up comes up for your free book, you can also fill that out and become a participant on my waiting list for the workshop. Okay, for the workshop. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out to you, and I'm telling you, this is going to be a wonderful week. I am so excited. I've been diligently working on my workshop. So all of you kitchen chemists that love to make products, natural products, and share them with others, but you want to make money at the same time, and you want to know where your customers are hiding online, come to my workshop. Okay, so with that in mind, friends, community, thank you so much for tuning in this morning and putting up with my braids. So if you ever want to have curly sister locks, for those who have sister locks, even dreadlocks, use the spray, use the conditioner, braid it up or twist it up, let it dry completely, and then your hair will be textured. It will have curls and waves, and you just enjoy yourself. So anyway, you all have a great day, and I look forward to connecting with you this week. All right, peace.